Hello everybody, it's True Detective here, and in this video I'm using the Zoom H4 handy recorder, and I have two microphones connected to this at the same time. The internal microphone of the Zoom, and now when I turn this, now you hear this is the internal microphone of the Zoom. And this is my external microphone, the Rode NT1 5th generation. Now I'll use them both, like this. So there's like three levels of audio setting over here. And in the computer's menu you have the input level, the input volume. You can change that, but with this setup you also have the mixer and you also have the USB output setting. So that gets a bit complicated, but if you get all those lined on the right levels, you won't have any clipping and you will have a great signal like this. And what you want is that in your digital audio workstation it doesn't go over that border. Just hear this, I go over the border and it starts to sound hard.